Students in Mrs. Madera's 6th grade history class went the extra mile in helping her prepare for the 7th annual Holocaust Remembrance Day, an event that gives students a first-hand account of the history of the Holocaust.
You are meeting child survivors who share their lives to bring a message of acceptance and safety for all.
Mrs. Madera wanted to surprise the visiting speakers with a video documentary her students produced on the life of survivor Norman Frajman.
In addition to the event, I've always wanted to do a documentary because Norman, he doesn't have like a publishing company, a big company like other survivors. So I always wanted to do like a documentary on Norman.
Students worked for months researching, writing, and assembling their video project for its premiere at this year's Remembrance Day.
We had a group writing a script and we had a group gathering pictures, and then we kind of combined them into one.
I don't think I could have scored a better class than Miss Madera's homeroom. They did a lot of work in helping with the documentary.
The extra research and work on the documentary had a positive outcome on the students.
Because this really gives an insight to the parents and us into what we have learned throughout the year.
I learned so much detail of the stuff that I already knew so vaguely, and it was like before I knew a straight line, now I know a whole circle.
Aiden and Michael enjoyed the project so much, they plan on doing another documentary for History Day.
I've taken this as a lot of inspiration for next year we do History Fair, where you're allowed to do a documentary, and I think me and Michael will pair up again to hopefully do a documentary.